Hello guys, today I have got the VIVO X300 FE and I'm going to show you what to do if your fingerprint is not working. At first you need to open the settings. Here scroll down to the security and privacy. We don't want to worry that here. Security and privacy, and tap device unlocking over here. Now you need to tap fingerprint and enter your lock screen password. That can be even, it depends on what you have, of course. Here, as you can see, we have got our fingerprint. Tap your fingerprint 1, delete. Now tap add the fingerprint back again and enroll now. Now, got it? And scan your finger once again. No need to, just read your fingerprint into your phone. This should help you actually with the fingerprint sensor. After that, you should see a difference. It should work. If it still doesn't work for you properly, you need to remove any screen protector you have on your screen, or case that covers the screen partially, of course, or just whole screen. This, can remove completely the possibility of your phone to work. Your fingerprint sensor. It's because if it's too tough or just unbroken, it can just not work. So remove it, and after that everything should be working fine. If it still does not work fine, you need to restart your phone. How to do that? Hold finger and power up your device. What did I say? Hold power and volume up in your device, and here drag this button swipe to restart to right. Now everything should be working fine. If it still doesn't work fine, after that you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. And that's it for this video. Goodbye.